All right, so I blew up my bow, my Diamond Infinite 305. I accidentally dry fired it. I put an arrow in that had a loose nock, and then I just shot it, and the whole thing just like bent the cams. The arrow went out sideways. It was not fun. So, but the good news is, I got my new bow. I got a PSE Lazer. PSE Lazer, 37 inches, 60-pound draw. So, and then I put a pop-up rest in. I took an old sight, since I'm doing a tournament, I took an old sight and I'm just put basically a single pin in it. So I just needed at 27.34 yards, 25 meters. So this will be my first shots with my new bow. First shots with my new bow out on the range. All right, I'm just gonna go to the 20 meter or the 20 yard. So I'm learning how to do this. The person who made the bow, Ron of Bears Archery, I already screwed it up. New to this game, just barely over 2 months now. Okay, so I'm gonna put this just in the 20 yarder, and he taught me some new steps to take. Okay, so I know I was shooting, I have to hold my follow through longer. That's what he said. So I'm gonna work on that. And then I have to load this thing differently than I was doing. I'm still getting used to that. But a lot of it was the breathing, which I wasn't doing correctly. It's very smooth. All right, so I have to, I'm loading this thing differently, but I'll get it down. And then he has me opening my stance a little bit, or closing, he said. To me in golf it was opening, but. That looked pretty good. Felt pretty good. So this is my first group at 20 yards. I gotta hold that follow through. I really gotta make sure I hold that follow through. Okay, so let's go check it out. It's about 108 degrees right now. But you gotta shoot. I got time to shoot right now. I'm gonna shoot. Okay, here they are. First group at 20 yards. So it's a little low right now. I'll wait till I'm kind of warmed up to adjust my sight if I need to. And then I put out on the 30-yard bail, I added the target I'll be using, I think I'll be using in the tournament. Right there, you can see it. So I'm practicing on that. And then just moving up, I put a line out at about 27.34 yards. Just a line in the dirt and moved up, because I normally at this time of day, I shoot back out of the sun. Okay, so that wasn't bad. So let's go ahead and do the 27 yard, 27.34 yards. Actually, I don't have this pin sighted in. That was sighted in for 20 yards. So I got to sight it in for 27. But let's do the, okay, I'm just going to shoot it straight from where the pin is right now at the 27 yards. It's probably going to go low, but I'll check it out. And I hope this microphone's working. I'm guessing it's going to go low. Yep, low. Okay, so when we sighted in the bow, We did it for 20 yards inside his shop. Actually about 19 yards inside his shop. Okay, so they're going low, so I just have to raise it. I'll do one more. Yeah, way low. Let me do a 3-shot group. Okay, so we'll just see where those go. All right, so low and to the left still. Low and to the left. So to fix my sight, I chase the arrow. So I got to move my arrow down and to the left. Used the Allen wrench and moved my sight lower and to the left, chasing the arrows. So let's try again. High. So I went too far, maybe. We'll see. It's going to take a while. Ooh, that was right on. So maybe my first one, I just blew it. Very possible. Because I'm thinking about this new process he's teaching me. Breathing, following through. Oh yeah, my stance has to be a little different. My grip is slightly different. Oh, that's right there. I could have it. It could be done. Let's see. If this one goes where those are, I'm gonna try to hold my follow through more. Woo! All right, I held my follow through, but I need to stare at my target. Okay, let's go check it out. PSE Laser, 60 pounds, because the tournament series is 60-pound bow is max. Well, well, well. I don't know what happened with that first arrow. So this, I wouldn't be embarrassed. I won't be embarrassed in a tournament to shoot a 10 and 2 9s. I will take that. And then I got that 7 up there, of course, but so I might be sighted in. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. I'm just gonna keep practicing. Okay, so I'm gonna keep practicing. Check out LakeHavasu.archery.com. That's just one of my self-defense YouTube channel that I'm just have a playlist of these archery videos. So I'm learning, I'm 2 months in. I signed up for a tournament because that forces me, it gives me something to work towards because I love practicing. Okay, this is my third group, 108 degrees, Lake Havasu City, Arizona, and my brand new bow, the PSE Lazer, and I guess I'm doing okay. An X, a 10, and a 9. I'll take that for being just 2 months in at 25 meters. All right, thanks for watching. See ya. Woo.